I walked in, I weighed 308. When I'm walking out, I weigh 264 pounds. My name is Kedron Thomas, and I'm from Spartanburg, South Carolina. I am a former executive chef. I heard a lot about Wildwood through my family members. I have quite a few that's Seventh-day Adventists. So I kind of wanted to come just so I could kind of check out the program and see if they could help me with a few of my health concerns. I came in not expecting nothing too high. I just wanted to see maybe if they could help me. I have many illnesses that impact my life. Chronic kidney disease, congestive heart failure, diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol. And since I came to Wildwood, I was an insulin-dependent diabetic, but since I've been here, I haven't had to take one shot of insulin. My blood pressure had gotten better, my kidney disease has definitely gotten better, and my weight loss has been drastic. My first day at Wildwood, I averaged about 2,800 steps walking. My last day at Wildwood, I averaged about 28,000 steps a day walking, which definitely broke a record at Wildwood. Due to my illnesses, I stayed very, very depressed a lot of the time. But since coming to Wildwood, I definitely feel remotivated and rejuvenated.